Welcome to course number 2. Here you will learn how strategic communication enhances your personal leadership brand. Have you ever thought about your personal leadership brand? How speech and voice are used sends signals about how you are perceived by others. Judgments are made about level of education, degree of intelligence, ability to solve problems, or be viewed as a leader, being credible, reputable, and even likable. This course will teach you how to use intonation at an advanced level for complex conversation or delivering presentations. You will learn how to use pausing for a boom effect that will give your statements more impact. Poor speech habits and ineffective vocabulary can be eliminated and replaced with rich vocabulary and communication styles. I would like to offer you a strategy on how to sound smart, confident, and more like a leader when asking questions. Now, flash back to elementary school. There we learned that when asking a question, it should end with upward inflection. However, when it comes to business communication and it is important to have leadership presence, the psychology for how to pose questions is very different. For a stronger leadership image, when asking a question, speak along the speech stairs and end on a downward step, just as you normally would for statements. Avoid ending the question with upward inflection. Let's compare. I am going to model questions done with upward inflection and then again ending on a lower note using the speech stairs strategy. Here we go. Can this be done by Friday? Can this be done by Friday? Before you leave, may I speak with you? Before you leave, may I speak with you? Is this correct? Is this correct? Now, isn't that interesting? The language was the same in both examples, but the questions that ended in higher pitch sounded doubtful, lacked confidence with uncertainty. One reason for this is when statements end with upward inflection, the vocal pitch sounds thinner and higher and even young. Lower and richer vocal tones radiate more leadership presence. In a professional setting, when you want to be viewed as a leader, bring questions down in pitch and end in a lower tone. If this is a new behavior for you, it will feel funny at first. Often my clients ask me if they sound mean or cold, posing questions in a lower tone. Like anything else, when you learn something new, it is going to feel awkward at first, and then it will start to feel natural with practice. When you bring questions down the speech stairs, your speech rate is more naturally controlled, making your articulation sharper, which sounds more professional and intentional. You are also sending your sound waves to your lower throat, where your optimal pitch range is placed, positioning you to speak with stronger and more powerful tones. When asking staff questions, or if you're in a meeting or delivering a presentation, pose questions ending in a lower tone for a stronger leadership persona. We are just getting started with learning how to use communication strategically for a higher degree of leadership positioning. I will see you in course 2, where we will apply the speech stairs strategy at a more advanced level and learn how to frame communication for a stronger leadership persona. See you in the next video.